पूरे देश में आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है।
On March 27th, our Honorable Prime Minister announced a nationwide lockdown. For a lot of us, the lockdown meant sitting secure inside our homes with our families.
Then there were those who were actively on the ground fighting against the pandemic for us, our brave COVID warriors. Every single day, they put their lives on the line to protect us. But were they equipped enough to fight for us and protect themselves? The figures indicate otherwise. By the end of June, 3,500 healthcare workers, 4,800 police officers and countless sanitation workers were themselves infected, and over 150 frontliners had lost their lives. To understand the on-ground needs of our warriors, we conducted focus group discussions with leading medical and government experts. We realized that while the authorities were doing their best in providing PPE to mainstream health workers, most of the support staff, including security guards and janitors, were still underprotected. In fact, in AIIMS alone, this category comprised 88% of the total infected frontliners in April.
Secondly, conventional equipment like N95 and PPE gowns were especially difficult to manufacture in the COVID scenarios of disturbed supply chains. This supply-demand gap drove the prices up, resulting in a 5-fold increase since January. To make matters worse, these equipments have a small life and require frequent purchases. This, along with the high prices, ensured that the underrepresented frontliners who already faced salary cuts could not even afford to buy their own protection. We had to think of a solution which was simple and efficient. At the start of April, through an extensive market research, our team identified face shield, an effective solution as indicated by many reports. It is cheaper and easy to manufacture owing to the low material requirements and the already existing infrastructure in alternate industries. Our idea here was to use innovative business principles to navigate the constrained supply chain, ensuring a quick access to face shields at zero cost to the frontliners. So we launched Together We Care, an initiative to protect those who protect us. Our approach consisted of 3 steps. First step is aggregating a network of suppliers to set up production. Second is generating funds for free distribution to frontliners. And the final step is creating localized need mapping and distribution networks. We partnered with Nature Packaging and VK Boxes, plastic packaging companies which were earlier closed due to lockdown. We assisted them in transitioning to 100% COVID-proof manufacturing. Through design changes in the strap and the joint of the face shields, we were able to improve durability and comfort of our design and bring down the cost to ₹25 per unit.
To raise funds, we sought the power of the community that has come closer in the face of this global crisis. We launched a crowdfunding campaign on online platforms Keto and Fuel a Dream, initially targeting a family, friends and student network across the Delhi circuit. The traction from the campaign helped us further to secure corporate orders and donations from Sleepwell Foundation and Dainik Jagran, generating funds worth 4.5 lakh rupees.
But this was just the beginning. We developed a 3-fold strategy to further empower the people around us to take charge. First, a large number of people wanted to upskill themselves during the lockdown. We partnered with 16 experts of diverse fields ranging from cooking to storytelling to launch cause-oriented workshops. Over 300 people attended these workshops and the funds generated were used to cross-subsidize our campaign with 1.5 lakh rupees.
Second, we launched a nationwide scale-up program partnering with KNSS Kolkata, Rotary Clubs, 5 Enactus teams and 4 other organizations to take our on-ground campaign pan-India. We provided them with the access to our supply chain, branding space on the head strap and publicized their support on our social media channels. With their help, we generated funds worth 8 lakh rupees.
Third, we released Changemaker, an unpaid workshop series to empower young students to lead our cause. Students were taught the basics of entrepreneurship and handling independent fundraising campaigns. Running these campaigns in their own network while using our identity, a batch of 75 students were able to generate more than 14.5 lakh rupees for us.
Finally, we had to ensure that the face shields reach the right stakeholders. We established a vigorous network with Delhi Medical Council, welfare associations at AIIMS, Safdarjung Hospital, Mission for Vision and 10 organizations for mapping demand across 11 states. We also partnered with TCI and Sampark Logistics who handled our interstate transportations. Further support from influential organizations like Habitat for Humanity and Confederation of Indian Industry enabled us to tap into a strong volunteer base across India.
In just the past 3 months, we have distributed more than 60,000 face shields to hospital staff, 25,000 to policemen and 15,000 to sanitation workers, a total of 1 lakh face shields across 11 states. We have empowered over 1,900 people to tap into their own potential and themselves become change makers. We have provided livelihood to 14 workers and generated an alternate source of income worth 29 lakh rupees for 2 micro enterprises on the verge of crisis. Shailin Mitra, Delhi Government COVID Officer on Special Duty, DCP East Delhi and General Secretary RDA AIIMS have appreciated our efforts. Our work was covered by NDTV, ETV Bharat and Dainik Jagran, while CSR Box, India's leading impact intelligence platform, published our impact.
However, as the instability around COVID-19 rose to an all-time high, a question still remained on our minds. What would happen after the lockdown ended? An increase in social engagement would result in an exponential rise in cases. We had to be sufficiently prepared to protect ourselves against the virus from both direct transmission through droplets and indirect transmission through touch. According to our user surveys, over 80% of people feel that masks do not cover all entry points of virus transmission and leave possibilities of accidental face touching. Face shields, often used with masks, are heavy, difficult to carry and get fogged easily. Gloves are highly prone to contamination, excessive sweating and skin irritation, giving a false sense of safety as per the WHO. With India registering 15,000 daily new cases in June, we needed user-centric solutions to ensure protection. Hence, we launched Decovify, an initiative to provide wholesome protection from COVID transmission through our 2 innovative products.
Our first product, Visage, combines face shield and mask by stitching a 125 micron PET visor to a cotton mask. Moreover, the respiratory valve ensures free airflow to prevent fogging. This dual integration covers all open areas of the face as well as prevents accidental face touching. Through repeated user testings, we selected breathable fabrics which can be reused, making it suitable for general use at just ₹70. Our second product, Covering, is a patent-pending portable device designed to prevent surface contact. It has 2 components. First, a wearable handheld gear designed to help perform daily tasks like opening doors, pushing lift buttons, or holding carry bags. Second, a protective case with a foam base which with a few drops of sanitizer per day ensures self-cleaning. The clamp on the case makes it portable and easy to use. Through extensive rapid prototyping at the Department of Design, IIT Delhi, we have developed a product that is durable, ergonomic and suited for frequent usage as compared to existing competitors. Our design even received the DIT seed grant worth 2 lakh rupees. The product is currently targeted at office-going commuters, being priced at 250 rupees.
Our business model comprises strategic partnerships at all levels of the supply chain, from manufacturing to last mile delivery. Currently, we have partnerships with VK Boxes and JJ Imprints to manufacture our product offerings. We hire and train workers on a contract basis to check the outgoing batches regularly for breathability and filter robustness of Visage, durability and self-cleansing of Covering, and also ensure COVID-proof manufacturing. ShipRocket handles the final delivery of goods. The marketing and sales model is an omni-channel B2B and B2C approach. In B2C, we leverage digital marketing and sell our products via e-commerce listings or websites. Referral schemes and family pack bundles ensure organic growth and cross-sales. In B2B, for Visage we target large retail and local pharmacy chains via free sample marketing and personalized follow-ups from pharmacies. For Covering, we offer employee packs to businesses with high levels of human interactions. As of now, Visage is available at Apollo pharmacies across Delhi and pilot testing is being carried out at 11 local pharmacies. In the past month, we have sold 3,000 Visages, generating a revenue of 1,28,000 rupees. Our pre-order campaign for Covering enables us to recover the capital investment and simultaneously build our brand. This received brilliant market traction, evident by pre-orders of over 750 units in just 3 weeks, generating a revenue of 1,61,000 rupees.
In the following 2 months, we plan to modify Visage by using N95 mask, making it useful for healthcare professionals as well. We also plan exclusive tie-ups with large retail pharmacies and deals with corporate offices for bulk orders of covering. By the end of 2020, we aim to impact 30,000 people, earning a revenue of 45 lakh rupees.
4 months ago, when the existing projects could not run, this story was of a team who had to make a decision.
We chose to fight back and we did not wait for the right time.
Our team of 57 members decided to be a caring face to frontliners like Rameja Nadaf.
An ASHA worker going door to door, creating awareness in the remotest areas of Hubli. In just 100 days,
We dedicated 34,000 hours.
Directly impacted 53,000 lives.
transferred skills to over 400 and reached out to more than 5 lakh people.
We provided employment to over 20 workers and generated revenue of more than 30 lakhs for 3 MSMEs promoting our PM's ideology of Atmanirbhar Bharat.
We received grant worth 3 lakhs.
And fulfilled 6 sustainable development goals.
Heroes like Pawan,
Ankit
Rat pickers.
police officers,
and countless frontliners made us realize how transition from a piece of cloth to a protective gear is a step away from death.
we saw transformations of 75 helpless students turning into young leaders.
And realized how our innovative products can be a sigh of relief to thousands. We realized the impact our actions can have. We aspire.
We believe.
We achieve.
We are Enactus IIT Delhi.